Holy shit balls. This is what I was hoping for. I hope that they were able to work out some of the kinks that they had in the last quarter. I talked about that Stock Watch Sunday last night. And
I love
Stitch Fix at the bottom of the market. I called this at $15 a share, and then it ran all the way up to 90. Then it crashed when the last quarter came around because they really couldn't navigate this very well. And now their founder, CEO is also stepping down. This is something I think could be a really pivotal moment for Stitch Fix. I cannot talk today. For Stitch Fix because if they actually are able to navigate through this and show some sort of progress, I think this actually does go off and could be a really good opportunity. And we've actually said that Stitch Fix could be a good opportunity after I guess they dropped the ball last quarter, and it actually has moved up. We look at the chart. And since the bottom down here at around $42, it's actually made a nice move back up. So I think that this area of consolidation, we could argue that this is potentially a bull flag that could be forming leading up into earnings. So I think this is actually a really good setup. If we see a break up over $60 a share, this could continue to roll. But man, consumer spending, and we just talked about it with Chewy, this type of business model and the subscriber business model, the revenue per user, all that good stuff, I think could send Stitch Fix higher if, and again, I just want to stress, if they're able to navigate through this inflation issue and somehow either work more efficiently or carry the costs onto the consumer and work things out that way. And so far, it is up now 13% after hours.
That's insane.
Sitting at $65 after closing at $58.
You wish you were Clover.
Yeah. Oh, man, this thing is rocking. Talk about boner candles. Damn, Vinay, good eye, bro. Yeah, this thing is taking off. Looks good. I don't know if there's any.
Somebody was asking about Palantir. Palantir's been great for me.
Yep.
Ranjith Murthy.
Yeah, Palantir doing well.
What's up with it? Nothing. I mean, I think it was just oversold, beaten down, and I don't know. All those... what I would say is I think people are just realizing what we've been talking about, which is they're here to stay.
Yep.